Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Voyager 1 model using an easy method. We will begin by gathering all our necessary supplies. You will need common household items like cardboard, aluminum foil, and some thin wire. Don't forget your basic crafting tools such as scissors, a reliable adhesive, and a ruler for precise measurements. This approach makes building your own spacecraft model straightforward and fun. Next, let's construct the core of your Voyager 1 model. Take your 3-inch spherical object and carefully wrap it entirely with aluminum foil. Ensure the foil is smooth and free of wrinkles to mimic the spacecraft's shiny exterior. Then, attach a 2-inch long cylindrical piece, perhaps made from rolled cardboard, to one side of the sphere. This forms the central hub of your interstellar explorer. Now, it's time to add Voyager 1's distinctive features. Cut a 4-inch diameter circle from cardboard to represent the high-gain antenna. Affix this large dish firmly to the main body, ensuring it stands upright. Then, use thin wire and small bits of cardboard to craft the various scientific instruments and probes. These smaller details truly bring your model to life, reflecting the real spacecraft's complexity. Finally, let's put the finishing touches on your Voyager 1 model. Double-check that all parts are securely fastened and that the proportions look correct. You can use fine-tipped markers or a bit of paint to add intricate details, like panel lines or small labels, for extra authenticity. Once complete, place your magnificent model on a stand to showcase your impressive craftsmanship. Enjoy your very own piece of space history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.